Buying a used Mercedes-Benz can feel like a gamble. Some models become expensive headaches as they age, while others quietly keep going for hundreds of thousands of miles with nothing more than proper maintenance. The surprising part is that many of the longest-lasting Mercedes models are rarely the ones people talk about the most. In this video, we're counting down 5 Mercedes models that secretly last forever. These are the cars that have earned a reputation for exceptional durability, proven engineering, and the ability to outlive expectations. Stay until the end, because our number 1 pick is a Mercedes that many owners believe is practically impossible to wear out. At number 5 is the Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 X204, especially the 2013 to 2015 models. It may not be the first Mercedes people think of when discussing long-term reliability, but that's exactly why it deserves a place on this list. Overshadowed by newer SUVs like the GLC, the GLK has quietly built a reputation for exceptional durability among owners and independent Mercedes specialists. The key is the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter M276 V6 paired with the updated 7G Tronic Plus automatic transmission. By the final years of production, Mercedes had refined both the engine and transmission, creating one of the most dependable modern powertrains the company has ever offered. With regular oil changes and scheduled maintenance, it's not uncommon to see these SUVs comfortably exceed 250,000 miles while still serving as reliable daily drivers. That doesn't mean every GLK 350 is trouble-free. Engine mounts eventually wear out, small oil leaks can develop around seals as the vehicle ages, and higher mileage examples may need suspension components replaced. The good news is that these are normal wear items rather than major design flaws, which helps keep long-term ownership surprisingly affordable for a luxury SUV. Before buying, look for a complete maintenance history, verify that transmission services have been performed, inspect for fluid leaks underneath the engine, and listen for any unusual noises during a cold start. A well-maintained GLK 350 proves that some of Mercedes' longest-lasting vehicles aren't always the most famous. They're simply the ones that were engineered right from the beginning. At number 4 is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 facelift, built from 2014 to 2016. While earlier versions of the W212 were already well respected, the facelift models benefited from years of engineering improvements, making them one of the most dependable modern Mercedes sedans you can buy. They may not receive the same attention as the older classics, but many owners have discovered just how well these cars hold up over time. The model to look for is the E350, powered by the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter M276 V6 and paired with the updated 7G Tronic Plus automatic transmission. This combination has earned an excellent reputation for reliability, smooth performance, and relatively low ownership costs compared to many other luxury sedans in its class. With proper maintenance, reaching 250,000 miles is far from unusual. Like any modern luxury car, there are still maintenance items to watch for. Oil leaks from seals can develop with age, engine mounts eventually wear out, and suspension components may need replacement on higher mileage examples. Fortunately, these are predictable wear items rather than widespread mechanical weaknesses, which is one reason the facelift W212 has become such a favorite among independent Mercedes specialists. Before buying, make sure the transmission has been serviced regularly. Inspect the suspension for excessive wear, verify that all electronic features operate correctly, and look for complete maintenance records. A clean W212 E350 is one of those rare luxury sedans that quietly delivers years of dependable ownership without attracting much attention, making it one of Mercedes' best-kept secrets. At number 3 is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class Coupe C207, produced from 2014 to 2017. While most buyers gravitated toward the sedan, the coupe quietly became one of the smartest long-term choices in the Mercedes lineup. It combines elegant styling with a mature platform and proven mechanical components, making it one of those cars that seems to age far better than most people expect. The model to target is the E350, equipped with the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter M276 V6 and the 7G Tronic Plus automatic transmission. By these later production years, Mercedes had refined the drivetrain into one of its most dependable modern combinations. Owners regularly report very high mileage with few major mechanical issues, provided the car has been serviced consistently. There are still a few areas to inspect before buying. Suspension bushings and engine mounts eventually wear out. Minor oil leaks can appear as the vehicle ages, and neglected transmission maintenance should always be considered a warning sign. Fortunately, these are routine maintenance items rather than serious design flaws, helping keep ownership costs predictable. Before purchasing, verify that the transmission has been serviced, inspect the suspension for excessive wear, check for oil leaks around the engine, and prioritize cars with a complete maintenance history over low-mileage examples. A well-maintained C207 proves that some of Mercedes' longest-lasting cars don't need to be SUVs or flagship sedans. They simply need the right engineering and consistent care. At number 2 is the Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 W166, especially the 2016 to 2019 models. By the time Mercedes introduced the facelift, the platform had matured into one of the brand's most dependable modern SUVs. It may not generate the excitement of the GLE 43 or GLE 63, but when it comes to long-term ownership, the naturally aspirated GLE 350 is the one that quietly earns the respect of mechanics and high-mileage owners. The ideal configuration is the GLE 350 equipped with the 3.5-liter M276 V6 and the 7G Tronic Plus automatic transmission. This powertrain has proven to be remarkably durable, with many examples comfortably exceeding 250,000 miles when maintained on schedule. The naturally aspirated engine avoids much of the added complexity found in turbocharged alternatives, helping keep repairs more predictable over the years. Like any luxury SUV, it isn't completely maintenance-free. Engine mounts, suspension components, and oil seals will eventually require attention, and it's important to verify that routine transmission services haven't been skipped. Electronic features should also be tested carefully, since small electrical issues become more common as these vehicles age. Before buying, inspect the suspension thoroughly, confirm a complete maintenance history, check for fluid leaks, and make sure the transmission shifts smoothly under all driving conditions. A well-maintained GLE 350 W166 is one of those rare modern Mercedes that simply keeps going year after year, proving that durability didn't disappear when luxury SUVs became more advanced. At number 1 is the Mercedes-Benz C350 W204 facelift. Built from 2012 to 2014, it rarely appears on lists of the longest-lasting Mercedes models, but among independent mechanics and longtime owners, it has earned a reputation as one of the brand's most dependable modern cars. It doesn't rely on complicated technology or headline-grabbing performance. Instead, it delivers something far more valuable: consistent reliability year after year. The model to look for is the C350, powered by the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter M276 V6 and paired with the 7G Tronic Plus automatic transmission. This drivetrain represents one of Mercedes' most refined naturally aspirated combinations, offering smooth power delivery, proven durability, and the ability to comfortably exceed 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. It's one of the last compact Mercedes to combine modern comfort with relatively straightforward mechanicals. As the car ages, routine wear items become the primary concern rather than major mechanical failures. Engine mounts, suspension bushings, ignition coils, and minor oil leaks should all be expected over time. But these issues are generally predictable and far less expensive than the major engine or transmission repairs that affect some newer luxury cars. A complete maintenance history is far more important than finding the lowest mileage example. Before buying, verify that scheduled transmission services have been completed. Inspect the suspension for excessive wear, check carefully for oil leaks, and confirm that all electronic systems operate properly. The W204 C350 facelift proves that some of Mercedes' longest-lasting cars aren't the famous classics. They're the quietly engineered models that continue delivering dependable service long after most people expected them to. These 5 Mercedes models prove that longevity isn't always about driving the oldest car or the most expensive one. Sometimes, the vehicles that last the longest are the ones that quietly avoid the spotlight while delivering years of dependable service. With the right engine, regular maintenance, and a documented service history, each of these Mercedes has the potential to provide hundreds of thousands of miles of reliable ownership. Now we'd like to hear from you. Which Mercedes do you think deserves a place on this list, and how many miles are on yours today? Let us know the model, year, engine, and mileage in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more rankings, buying guides, and reliable luxury car recommendations.